Today, we're going to take a look at this area rug. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, give you a close up, show you whether it is non-skid, run a vacuum over it, and just kind of go over everything. All right, so we're using this as a runner. This is our outdoor area right over here. So we're using this as a runner. This is super soft. It has a really nice pattern to it. You'll see right over here. You can see you have that skid on the bottom over here, non-slip. This isn't going anywhere as I'm trying to like move this around. Super soft and comfortable, which I personally like. You could machine wash this, which is a really nice thing. You could use a vacuum on this as well. So let's get the vacuum going right over here. So this is kind of our stick vacuum. You'll just see right over here, no issues when you're vacuuming this. It doesn't bunch up, it doesn't get stuck or anything like that. So it vacuums really easily as well. We did get the 2x6 length for this. It does come in some different patterns, some different shapes. So if you needed, you know, another area rug or something like that, it's great for hallways, bathrooms, the kitchen, an office. This is actually in my office right now. And I have like an outdoor area right over there. So I'm using it for this. Just really nice. Got some nice patterns. Again, it's soft. So if you're looking for a great area rug runner, that is non-slip, machine washable, vacuum's really easy to go over it, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this review.